What else did he leave by these footprints? Look where he started. Look over here where he started.
Well,
Here's the bunny footprints. He's been here. Our papers need cleaning. Hello. Let's see what you've got so far. Oh, ooh, there's a lot of pink ones. You still look. Oh, ooh, that's a good one. It's a good hiding spot. Easter bunny. Ooh.
He's rolling away, that one.
Yes.
Ooh. Oh, that's getting a full bucket.
Yes. Oh. There's someone there. Where? Oh, you found something? Come over here.
Oops. Sun glare.
Emerson, come over here again. Come back up. I think he had some more. Look around. Look around you. Look around.
Where? Ah, I see.
Okay.
Oh, there she's off.
She sees some more.
Oh. How'd you see them? I can't even see them. Need my glasses. Ah. Eyes like a hawk. Although when it comes to chocolate,
Yes.
I've got pretty good eyesight myself. Ah, so it's Easter Sunday 2010,
Oh, great. You like
the
to stand up
4th
on
of
it?
April.
Okay, stand up. You want to stand up on it? Yeah. Okay, stand up. I'll let you stand this time. You can stand up right there. Okay, look around.
Let's have a look if we can see any other ones.
Look around there. Keep turning around. Keep turning that way. Keep looking.
Oh, I would never have found that
I'll
one.
help you down. I'll help you down. I think that's all that he had. But there, yeah, there's more.
I see some.
There's probably more around the area.
In our weedy garden.
See, look high and low. High and low, Emerson. High and low. Look over here at the garage. See?
Oh.
Look high. Look high. No, at the garage. At the garage. Look at the this Emerson. Look at the window.
Ah.
It's worth it for that laugh.
I might see some around here.
See if the same thing happened here. Same thing happened? Look at the windows.
Stop.
Look at the windows. Okay, I think that's it there.
I know, I've seen some more.
There are some more.
Some, they're down on the garden.
I'll go along the garden. Maybe he, I don't know if he jumped all in the garden, but he
Yeah,
might have.
walk slowly and you'll see them. Oh, gotcha.
Okay.
How many have you got now? Oh my goodness,
Oh, that's a
let's
lot.
see.
Oh,
I wonder whose tummy they're going to be in.
that's a lion's share.
I see some footprints over here.
Some more?
Wow. Big footprints.
That Easter bunny must have been huge. Oh,
Yeah.
what's that? He's had a rest on that chair there, I
He
think.
has. I think he has. He may have stopped.
Oh, he's had lots of rests. Oh, I didn't even see that one. Easter Bunny's done some good hiding.
The chair's blinding you. Is the chair blinding you?
Oh,
Look, so what did he do with his footprints here? What did he do here?
let's follow the footprints.
I think he wiped his feet on the mat and he opened the door somehow.
Huh. Interesting. Let's see.
Interesting.
Oh.
This is it. That's it, Emerson. You good? Oh,
Last one.
they're just all over here in this area.
Yeah, just a couple. Oh, he's right here. You went past him. There.
Yeah, you went past him.
Oh,
I just knocked one off the basketball thing. Oh,
that's tricky.
yeah. That's it.
Oh, look.
Oh, over here? Are there any over here?
There's a butterfly there. That's crazy. Let's go outside and have a look at what you've got. Let me see. Oh my goodness.
You didn't see that one, Daddy.
No. Oh, no. This Easter Bunny's tricky.
What do you think? That is a lot of Easter eggs.
Oh, wow.
Can you believe it?
There is any more.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe keep looking over here.
We'll have to go back inside and you can
Maybe
count your
retrace
eggs.
your steps. See, footsteps. He hopped into the yard.
And whose are those?
Some bird.
Some bird.
And started milling around.
Easter bird.
Oh, Emerson, go back here. There's one here.
Oh,
You walk slowly from here. Walk slowly from here and go that way. Look at all the plants and things. Maybe he needs to.
pink.
Be very
See
careful
it?
with your hand.
Oh, there he is hiding.
Very careful with your hand. There you go. Okay. Oh,
Right.
tricky. Maybe just start walking up and maybe you see some more. Walking up along the side there.
Got
Look
it?
on both sides.
Oh.
Look on both sides. Oh, wow.
Cool. I might stop this. It's going to take
Okay, yeah.
2 weeks to download.
Yeah.
Okay, see everybody. Happy Easter. You want to come wish everyone Happy Easter, Emerson?
Happy Easter.
Come a bit closer so I can see your beautiful
You
face.
can wave and say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, everybody. Hope you get as many eggs as Emerson did. Just a few.
Oh.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.